It's far too early, but wow. Hey peeps, happy Boxing Day. So the vlog is now uploading. It's over 6 gigabytes, so it's going to take probably about 3 hours, and it's currently 1 o'clock. I got it all edited last night, but then I needed to add pictures in, and I had to stop at 11:30. So I hope you enjoy when it finally goes up. And yeah, today is a day of chilling, which I mean yesterday was as well, but oh gosh, I'm tired. Nancy, I have spent my Lamazi Fabrics voucher as they were having a sale which ends this evening. They happen to have 5 meters of this flamingo habitat cotton lawn left, so with the discount already, the extra 15% off, and your very, very generous Christmas gift, I got 5 meters of fabric for the grand total of £5.50. Cannot argue with that. I'm really excited about this one because it has flamingos on it and also leaves, so you know, ticking quite a few boxes for me. Thank you very much. And today's vlog is taking, it doesn't even have an estimate of how much time it needs, and usually that means it's going to be over 3 hours, so I'm sorry it's taking so long, but we do live in the land where internet is run by hamsters, so yeah. It's many, many hours later and we're only at 29%. This thing is going to take all night to upload. That also means that we're stranded because we can't do anything on the internet at all at the same time. It's very frustrating. I'm back up at mine now, obviously, and someone's happy to see me. The video is at 46% and it is nearly it's 8 o'clock. So yeah, I have no internet myself whilst this is uploading, neither do mum and dad, so they are watching TV, not anything recorded because we can't download anything, and I'm going to read my book because that's been up there and I've read the prologue and I haven't finished anything past the prologue. So yeah, I'm gonna have an evening of reading my book. I haven't done that in ages. I haven't done that since before Croatia, so yeah, a very long time. I've organised my sewing room, so all of the bits and pieces that I got given for Christmas are away except for the patterns. I have run out of pattern storage officially. I think there's room for another one of those CD towers, so fingers crossed we can pick one of those up on the way home from the mainland, from IKEA, because they are like 20 quid, but it's £35 to have them delivered, which is ridiculous. So yes, fingers crossed we can nip into an IKEA and grab one of those on the way back. I've still got a whole bunch of washing to do up here, and I haven't put away the sweet treats that I've got. I have an entire bag full of those, and all the makeup bits and pieces that I got in my stocking. I did film us opening our stockings yesterday, but the video is already at 44 minutes long with just the presents, so yeah, I cut that bit out because with the stockings we kind of all just, it's a bit of a free-for-all. It's not the way we do the presents, so yeah, I filmed it, but it wasn't really very clear what was going on. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to say goodnight. I don't think you'll be seeing this until the next day because, as I say, the 25th video is still uploading on the 26th, so I don't know when you're going to be seeing this, but I hope you've enjoyed your Boxing Day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Very Vlogmas Day 27. I've just received another parcel force customs fees thingy, which I've paid, and it's somewhere near Chicago, so I don't know who that's from. Fiona sent me a message via my agent saying that she'd sent me a parcel as well, so thank you very much, and that's being delivered tomorrow. But today, sometime today, fingers crossed, the one from I think Candy should arrive, and Dad's I'm
wearing Elvis today.
He is. If you haven't seen his shirt one, no, show them what you have. No, show them what you have. He's forcing it down Mum and my throat.
Oh, these coffee girls.
It does not taste nice, especially when you've brushed your teeth. It won't focus because of his
I know,
faces.
but I get so much enjoyment.
He does. He takes far too much pleasure
from, Are you ready, Jen?
From force feeding us. Mum's like, no more.
Didn't you?
No, he gave it to me, Mum. Nice try.
I thought you'd given me some too.
It's much later on in the day and I'm back up here again, and Mum and Dad and I have been trying to set up our Alexa dots, and yeah, it's sort of working. Sort of. Not really. I mean, we've got the one downstairs set up and we can make calls between them, but we can't work out exactly. I can call Dad's phone, but I haven't worked out how I'm calling his dot in the kitchen yet. But he's worked out how to call mine so he can wake me up first thing in the morning. There is a do not disturb though, which I shall be employing if he gets out of hand. The vlog went up this morning. It finally finished uploading at about 8 AM this morning, so it went up about 9:30. Fiona, I've had a couple of messages from you and I know you've sent me a parcel, and I think maybe the customs fees that I paid, because there was supposed to be a parcel being delivered today with customs fees that I paid, and they did try and deliver it to my manager's office, and obviously they're not in until I think they go back to work tomorrow, so, or it could be next week. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure which parcel's which now, and where your parcel's gone, because it's saying that they tried to deliver it the other day but they obviously couldn't or didn't because we were home all day. So yeah, I'm a bit confused. There's 3 parcels floating around the ether and I'm not sure what's going on with any of them, but I will keep you updated when they arrive. I am going to go for now because it's not that late, but I am exhausted. So yes, I'll speak to you in a bit. Megan! Funny that, eh? I basically haven't moved since I spoke to you last, but it is quite a few hours later. So yesterday I actually did end up reading Heroes rather than the Peter F. Hamilton one. And I'm like nearly 200 pages in. It was really good. I'm enjoying it. And we've worked out our dots, how to call each of them. So that's good. I am also working out how to put the do not disturb on so that I don't get phone calls at a ridiculous hour in the morning. Yes. I can imagine Dad just being like, hello, I'm awake, why don't you wake up too? Fingers crossed he actually doesn't do that. I don't think he will. Although maybe once or twice because it will amuse him. But yeah, it's that time of year, or everyone's putting up the posts. It's that time of year where after Christmas and before New Year's, you don't know what day it is, you don't know what time it is, you just don't know anything. It's one of those times of year where it's just like, I have no clue what's going on. That's kind of nice. Helped Mum out with a pattern that she's trying to adapt today. So she made a wallet which she likes, but it's a bit too big, so she's adapting it to make it more like her current wallet so that she can try that first, and then she wants to make them in leather. She has leather for herself and her friend, so we've been trying to puzzle out how to put together or how to modify this pattern to be more like what she'd like, and we think we've done it. So we'll see. Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm still not right. I feel much better. The cold has gone. The head cold has gone. The bronchial tubes are being ridiculous. But you know, as long as I stay still, I'm fine. So there's just a lot of staying still in my life. Oh, I'm sitting here with German biscuits as well. They're yummy, they're really yummy. But I'm going to try not eat all of them in too short a period of time because I have lost quite a lot of weight, believe it or not, with all these massive clothes that I'm wearing. I have lost probably about 4 or 5 pounds over the last 2 weeks from being ill. And that's because I've been sedentary and not needing to eat so much, so not eating so much, and yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop whining about being sick because it's not that bad, it's just irritating. I hope you have enjoyed these couple of days of vlog. I know I haven't done very much other than move from one horizontal position to another, but you know, that's Gianna plucking my sofa. That's the joys of being sick. I am with friends of ours are having a Christmas open house tomorrow evening, and I'm really hoping that I can go because Dad would like to have a drink and Mum would like to have a drink, so I'd like to be able to drive them. So I'm going to see how I feel in the morning, and I don't think I'm contagious, so I'm just going to go take them, sit quietly in a corner and bring them back. I think that's the plan, but we shall see. We shall see tomorrow. I would like to wear my red silk dress if I'm well enough to go. So fingers crossed. Good vibes, peeps. Good vibes. You'll soon see if I go or not. But yeah, good vibes. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you because it's waffle. So I hope you, as I say, I hope you've enjoyed the last couple of days, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.